Hey guys, I'm excited to share the best Ebike battery in this video. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Chamwriter 48V Chamwriter 36V Ebike Battery is a high-quality lithium battery pack specifically designed for electric bikes, e-bikes, and electric scooters. With voltage options of 36V and 48V, this battery pack caters to different e-bike power systems and motor configurations. Featuring a 20A or 30A BMS battery management system, the Chamwriter battery ensures efficient power distribution and protects against overcharging, overdischarging, and excessive current flow. This BMS enhances the battery's safety and longevity, allowing you to enjoy worry-free rides. The battery pack is equipped with either 18,650 or 21,700 cells, depending on the specific model. Both cell types offer excellent energy density, long cycle life, and reliable performance. The choice between the two allows you to select the battery pack that best suits your needs and preferences. Number 4. UnitBack Power Triangle. UnitBack Power Triangle Lithium LG Ebike Battery is a high-performance battery pack designed specifically for electric bikes, e-bikes. This battery pack comes in 3 voltage options: 36V, 48V, and 52V, providing flexibility to match your e-bike's power requirements. Featuring LG lithium-ion (Li-ion) cells, renowned for their exceptional quality and reliability, the UnitBack Power battery pack delivers reliable power output and offers long cycle life. The use of high-quality cells ensures optimal performance and durability, allowing you to enjoy extended rides with confidence. The battery pack is designed in the popular Tesla triangle shape, which maximizes space utilization and ensures seamless integration into the frame of your e-bike. This design also improves weight distribution and stability, enhancing your overall riding experience. Number 3. CamCam Electric Bike Lithium Battery Pack is a versatile and high-performance battery designed to power electric bicycles, scooters, and motorcycles. This battery pack is available in 3 voltage options: 36V, 48V, and 52V, catering to different power requirements and motor configurations. With multiple capacity choices, including 8Ah, 10Ah, and 20Ah, the CAM battery pack offers flexibility to suit various riding needs. Whether you're looking for a lightweight battery for short commutes or a higher capacity option for extended rides, this battery pack has you covered. The battery pack utilizes reliable and durable lithium-ion Li-ion cells, known for their high energy density and long cycle life. These cells ensure a stable power output and provide consistent performance throughout your rides. Number 2. UnitBack Power. UnitBack Power 21700 Ebike Battery is a high-quality and powerful battery designed specifically for electric bikes, e-bikes. Available in various voltage and capacity options, including 48V, 36V, 52V, 72V, and 60V, and capacities ranging from 19.2Ah to 24Ah, this battery offers versatility to cater to different e-bike setups and power requirements. With its 21,700 battery cells, the UnitBack Power battery utilizes industry-leading technology from reputable manufacturers such as Samsung and LG. These cells are known for their excellent energy density, long cycle life, and reliable performance, ensuring that your e-bike has a consistent and efficient power source. The battery is compatible with e-bike systems ranging from 500W to 1500W, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including daily commuting, touring, and off-road adventures. Number 1. Cham Rider. Cham Rider Original 48V battery is a high-performance electric bike, e-bike, battery designed to enhance the power and range of your e-bike. With a voltage rating of 48V and a capacity of 20Ah, this battery delivers a substantial amount of power to support various e-bike systems and motor configurations. Featuring a 52V configuration, the Chamwriter battery offers a slight voltage boost compared to standard 48V batteries, providing increased performance and acceleration capabilities. This makes it compatible with e-bikes equipped with motors ranging from 350W to 1500W, including popular models like BBS02, BBS03, and BBS HD. Equipped with a robust 36V High-Long Max 40A BMS battery management system, the Chamwriter battery ensures optimal performance, protection, and longevity.